Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting comebacks in the automotive world. The 2026 Mazda RX-8. After years of speculation, concept teasers, and whispers about the revival of the rotary engine, Mazda has finally delivered, and this car is turning heads all around the globe. So, let's walk through this machine in every detail and see what makes it stand out in today's competitive sports car market. When you look at the front of the RX-8, the first thing you notice is how aggressive yet refined the design feels. Mazda has managed to blend its Kodo design language with a futuristic edge, giving the car sharp LED matrix headlights, a low-slung nose, and a wide front grille that screams performance. The air intakes aren't just for show either. They're carefully sculpted to channel air for cooling and aerodynamics. The hood carries subtle muscular lines, reminding you that this is a sports car with real presence. Moving to the side profile, the RX-8 stays true to its heritage with sleek coupe proportions, but now it's sharper and more fluid. The long hood, short rear deck, and flared wheel arches give it that athletic stance that drivers crave. Mazda has kept the iconic freestyle half doors, signature feature of the RX-8, which makes it practical while retaining its uniqueness. The frameless design and coupe silhouette make it stand out instantly in traffic. Sitting low on 20-inch alloys with a sculpted bodyline running through the doors, it just looks fast, even when it's standing still at the back. The RX-8 makes an even bolder statement. Slim, modern taillights wrap around the body, and the integrated spoiler flows seamlessly into the trunk lid. Quad exhaust tips sit low and wide, hinting at the power beneath, while the diffuser design reinforces its performance intent. Everything here has a functional yet stylish approach, giving the car an aggressive finish that perfectly balances beauty and purpose. Stepping inside, Mazda has gone all out to bring the RX-8 into the future while still keeping the driver-focused spirit alive. The cabin is minimalistic yet premium, with high-quality leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum trims, giving it a performance-oriented luxury feel. The steering wheel is compact with rotary-inspired detailing, and the digital instrument cluster delivers crisp, customizable information. A large central infotainment screen with Mazda's latest connectivity suite is seamlessly integrated into the dash. And there's support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are sporty, heavily bolstered to hold you in place during spirited driving, yet still comfortable for daily commutes. The rear half doors make access to the back seats surprisingly practical for a coupe. Something rare in this segment. When it comes to performance, this is where things get really exciting. The 2026 RX-8 brings back the legendary rotary engine, but with a modern twist. Mazda has engineered a rotary hybrid setup that combines the high-revving, Wankel engine with electric motors for instant torque and improved efficiency. The result is a car that produces around 400 horsepower, revs past 9,000 RPM, and still meets global emission standards. Power is delivered to the rear wheels through a slick, 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. And for purists, Mazda hasn't forgotten there's also a manual option. The handling is razor-sharp thanks to a lightweight chassis, perfect weight distribution, and adaptive suspension. Whether on the track or winding roads, the RX-8 feels alive and engaging, staying true to its rotary roots but enhanced for a new generation. Price-wise, Mazda has positioned the RX-8 competitively, starting at around $55,000. It undercuts many European rivals while offering unique engineering and standout design. Higher trims with performance upgrades, premium interiors, and advanced tech packages can push the price closer to $70,000. But even then, it's a serious bargain considering what you're getting. If you're considering this car, my suggestion is simple. If you love driving, crave something unique, and want a piece of rotary history reborn for the future, the RX-8 is Absolutely worth it. It's not just a sports car. It's a statement Mazda is proving once again that passion and innovation can coexist in a modern world. And that wraps up this detailed review of the 2026 Mazda RX-8. It's bold, it's futuristic, and it pays respect to its heritage while embracing the future. Let me know what you think about Mazda's decision to bring back the Rotary in this hybrid form. Do you think it's the right move? Or should Mazda have gone a different route? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more detailed car reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.